What's going on, man? Y'all see the kid back with another video. Can't say back that hard because it been a minute. Man, I gotta set this down, bro. There we go, y'all can see me. Alright, so as y'all see from the title, this basically is an update on why I haven't been posting, and man, so much stuff had accumulated within this. I ain't even gonna say small frame of time, but like a month. That's a small frame of time. But so just an update on why I haven't been posting. So I end up leaving my phone that I edit on in the car. The battery basically exploded. Funds got cut. I wasn't making as much to buy another battery at that time. So yeah, I was basically like phoneless to edit, you know what I'm saying? And that's why I haven't been dropping videos. And other life situations had took place. Like I said about the phone, you know, battery, it was cheap and my funds got cut, so I wasn't able to you know, pay to get things done, you know what I'm saying, the very important things that I want to do. You know, I was able to handle the priorities. But yeah, man, that's just the breakdown on why I haven't been posting. Now I finally got my battery, phone is good, you feel me? So I'm gonna be back in action rolling. And what else I like to say? Oh man, this ain't easy. This ain't easy at all, bro. Like, I really don't even want to build a car no more. I'm gonna just keep it a buck with y'all. Like, I've been having my days like, man, it's taking so long, you feel me? Like, I don't want to do it, you know. I've been thinking about selling my motor and the car, not the truck, because the truck is good and we're gonna get on that. But yeah, man, so I'm really just trying to keep a positive mindset, you feel me? To just keep going. It's really hard when the funds not really kicking in. It's not, oh, let me go and put that out there. This build really is not expensive, you feel me? Like, when I get the car complete, I'm gonna make a video on my expenses. This really a budget build. What really took all the money is the motors. Like, I had a $500 budget, and come to find out it was like $1,600 and some change, you feel me? So now I owe $886, you feel me? So hey, I don't do the cash app asking for money and stuff like that. But if you want to see or support the build, you feel me, like, y'all can just inbox me on my Instagram. I'm gonna put down here if y'all want to. Like, it don't matter to me. Like, I'm gonna get it done if you don't send, you know what I'm saying, the donation or whatnot, because at the end of the day, like, this is my passion. But yeah, man, it's hard, you know what I'm saying, like, trying to progress and keep that positive mindset when it's a lot of obstacles, you feel me? So I'm going through that too. Like, this not just, oh, you know, peaches and cream when, you know, you're trying to do something that you love to do and you got the setback. So only thing I've been doing, man, praying and just hoping for the best and have the faith. So on that note, we finna get into the vehicles. Now, I got so much done with the truck, you feel me? I think the last video y'all seen, I don't even remember, bro. It's been that long. But the truck is officially done. Like, it's been done for forever, to be honest. Only thing, like, to be honest, I can really drive it. Now, I think one day I was trying to fix the shifter and I adjusted it wrong and I lost my second and third gear. So now I just first gear. So to be honest, bro, that's like the only thing I have to fix, and I'm gonna change out my throwout bearing, and that's it. Like, she'll be road ready, you feel me? Yeah, man, I'm finna really just start working on the interior, since like the other stuff is really small. You know, I'm gonna fix my alignment and stuff. Like I said, the truck ready, it drives. Do I want to crank it for y'all? I guess I'll crank it. Let me get these keys. truck is basically done. I was supposed to do a ride along video, but that's before I adjusted it and lost like my second and my third gear, so I'm gonna have to readjust it. And I found out that the bearing was riding on the clutch. You feel me? When it's I think disengaged, it's something like that. But yeah, man, truck's done. So y'all stay tuned for all the other stuff I'm about to do to the truck once I get it exactly how I want to. And for the new people to the channel, this is my 83 Z28 outrock. LS swapping, if y'all ain't know, you know, it's basically like a full build. Of course, it's gonna be manual swap. You know, long run, I'm gonna do the T56, but for right now, I'm gonna do the T5. You know, I'm probably gonna rebuild that myself. I did a video on me repainting this engine bay. It's hella dusty right now, but that's how she looking. If y'all ain't see the other video, I'm probably gonna link it in the top left or the top right corner. I don't know yet. But yeah, that's how the engine bay looking. Only thing really left for this is like the motor mounts. I'm gonna get another line. I'm gonna get another line because I don't know if y'all can't see it. Yeah, I got a hole in one of the lines. So yeah, man, ain't much to it. I'm gonna just have y'all to tune in, man. I'm gonna just let y'all tune in because I don't want to say too much no more. You feel me? Feel like the devil on my back since I'm talking, so I'm gonna stop talking, man, and just let y'all tune in. And when y'all see the new stuff, the unboxing of everything I get, then it'll be solidified. You feel me? But yeah, man, that's basically like the update with everything. And this car, you know, this is what y'all will see on the channel the most. I got a washer. I ain't doing much to this. I did the primer because it had scratches on it, which is I should have never done. I should have went ahead and, you know what I'm saying, painting it. But for right now, I'm gonna paint it. You know what I'm saying, get rid of this primer, take this dent out, buy another door. That's it, you feel me? And you know, the other things, y'all got to tune in and see, you feel me? Now I'm able to keep everything coming, you feel me? And until next time, man, I appreciate y'all for subscribing and still sticking with the boy. Man, we up 491 subscribers now, bruh. If y'all been sticking with me, y'all know, man, we started from the bottom. Like when I got on this full time, man, I only had 8 subscribers and I've been watching it go up, man. 91, 100, 200. Now I'm almost at 500, man. So hey, all blessings go to God for that, because I did not think I was gonna reach that fast, man. Like, especially with me not really being consistent as I want to, I still was getting subscribers. So y'all tune in. I'm not gonna disappoint y'all. If y'all don't know much about cars, I don't, but I am knowledgeable and inclined on how to, you know what I'm saying, maintain the performance and fix what I can fix. So y'all will learn a lot of stuff on my channel, and this is like my gravy and butter right here. The V6 and the V8. So if y'all got any questions on this car and the body, please ask. Like, I'm very inclined on that because I've been hands-on, you feel me? So I ain't gonna give y'all much too more information on this because I'm very knowledgeable on these cars, you feel me? So yeah, man, until next time, if y'all like the video, please like. If y'all ain't subscribed and y'all just watching, y'all got to subscribe so I can start getting this moolah and I can drop more content, buy more cars and go crazy. You feel me? Till next time, God bless.